Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's class, inshallah, we'll start learning a new surah, and the name of the surah is Surah An-Nasr. Yes, and it's a Madani surah because it's a Madani surah just because our beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam was in Medina at the time this surah was revealed. And the ayahs in the surah are three. Yes, let's start with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Let's read after me. Either stretch the dal and read it soft. Make sure you're not making a whistle sound here. Either jaa. Stretch the jim because of alif madda as well as there is a mad sign. Jaa. Nasrullahi. Sod is heavy. Ra is also a heavy letter here. And the lam of Allah is also heavy here. Nasrullahi wal fath. You heard it right at the end. We have to make the ha sound. Wal fath. Good. Wara'aytan. You heard it right. We have to make the whistle sound. And we have to take the sound into our nose. Wara'aytan. Sorry, we don't have to make a whistle sound, but we have to take the sound into our nose here when we're joining that letter ta with the noon, because noon is having a tashteed on the top. Wara'aytan nasa. Stretch the noon because of an alif madda. Yadkhuluna. Yadkhuluna. Good. Fi. Stretch the fa because of a ya madda. Dinillahi. Here at this point, the lam of Allah is light because there is a kasra before that. Afwaja. When we pause at the end of the double fatha, the double fatha will convert into an alif. So that is why we are saying ja instead of jan. Afwaja. Fasabbih. Good. Bihamdi rabbika wastaghfir. Fir. Yeah, there will be ha sound at the end. Innahu kana tawwaba. Tawwaba. Good. So this is Surah An-Nasr, and practice this surah. See you inshallah in the next video.